to take a moment to explain the appraisal process to you. If the buyer is getting a loan, then the lender is responsible for ordering the appraisal. And this often takes place right after the home inspection has been completed. Once the lender orders the appraisal, the appraiser is going to contact our team and schedule a time to come out to the property. We're going to either contact you by phone or we will set up the appraisal through the Century Lock Showing Time app. Please note that the seller and the buyer do not have to be present during the appraisal. The appraiser is going to access the home by using the lockbox system. Buyers and sellers are always so anxious to know how the appraisal went. And you have to remember, the appraisal takes a little bit of time to be completed. The appraiser goes out to the property, they do their research, they're taking pictures, measurements, and so on. And then they go back to their office and they have to do some more research and they have to put the report together. So it may take a few days before the appraisal is completed. The seller does not get a copy of the appraisal as it was purchased by the buyer and the buyer's lender. But please note, the seller will be able to find out if the appraised value was met or if it wasn't. As with all conditions in this contract, it is time sensitive. So the buyer only has so many days to get their appraisal completed, and you can find out how many days the buyer has to complete the appraisal in the contract by looking under Section 5 of the residential sales contract. And don't forget, who you work with matters.